name is Christian Arevalo. I've been a software engineer for 3 years. I've been doing blockchain for 2 years. Well, I'm gonna start telling you a bit about Rootstock. Rootstock is the first Bitcoin's first and longest standing sidechain. The value that that Rootstock proposes is that is the first fully EVM-compatible sidechain with Bitcoin, allowing builders the developers can also position. We have a merged mining like technology in which like you use best of both worlds, Bitcoin and Ethereum. We also allow developers to use the same Solidity tools and libraries, as I already said before, the ones you can sharing Bitcoin and Ethereum like benefits. And we also host a variety of dApps and protocols in Rootstock. So it is designed to combine the security and store value of Bitcoin with the compatibility of and programmability of Ethereum. So, what makes Rootstock outstanding? So, these are some stats that we have. We've had 50% Bitcoin merged mining hash rate for average. The average block time is 28 seconds, dropping to 5 seconds with MicroPowPeg. That is a tool that is currently being worked on. We have more than 125 protocols and partners live, 185 million USD Bitcoin locked in two-way peg, and we also have 272 million USD native total value locked in DeFi. So these are some of the stats. The security. We have one of the most secure networks. We have a store of value from Smart Bitcoin, our pegged native token, and the compatibility with all the standards from Ethereum, like ERC20, ERC721, ERC777, ERC1155, and ERC4626. And also the scalability, as I told you before, the MicroPow that's being worked that is going to lower our average time to 5 seconds, currently 28 seconds. Think like us, build like us, join our growing ecosystem of partners. We have I'm going to tell you about the grants later, but some of the tools that we also have in Rootstock are JavaScript, React, WAGMI, some very popular tools that you also can use like in other chains. Like the transition to developing on Rootstock is seamless. And also we have some interesting partners that we've linked with. That's like ThirdWeb, it has many services that are very useful: Etherspot, Gelato, Tenderly. These are some of the main companies or protocols that we have on the Rootstock ecosystem building on Bitcoin. We have DeFi platforms like Sovereign, Tropicus, stable coins, money on chain, also Reef on chain. Wallets, global exchanges, on everything you should really think in applying to our grants. We have 3 million USD on grants created to grow and support the Rootstock builders in general. Bangkok, we have 2 main price tracks. The best DeFi app on Rootstock, that's $5,500. Demonstration of how you can deploy a smart contract using in Rootstock blockchain. Here I have like a resource to our RPC API. I'm gonna be using Remix for this time. So let me just look for it. Constructs wizard. Okay, we're gonna have a token. Maybe this is like arbitrary. You can choose whatever you want, and I'm gonna copy it. Well, so here we have an ERC20 like common token. We're gonna compile the contract. We see already compiled, and one important thing, testnet added to your MetaMask. You can use our RPC API or Alchemy. Okay, let's say the initial owner is my own address. And let's say deploy. I'm sorry, I am the deploying it in Cancun. I'm going to use the injected provider. So here we have teamed up with Alchemy, and they offer also RPCs to like connect to our blockchains. Also, you can use one of our really useful resources. That's the RPC API from Rootstock. You can create an account here, and you'll get a private RPC endpoint that you can like point to. And I think we already have our contract deployed in here. And yeah, we're gonna check on it on the Explorer. And this is our contract. As we saw, well, in Remix, it is called. I'm sorry. Yeah, it is called I'm sorry. We're gonna let me see if this is the contract that we deploy. Okay. Yeah, it is good. Okay, yeah, I think it is the one that we deployed already, like 10 minutes ago. Yeah. Okay, so this is mainly how you can deploy a contract on the Rootstock blockchain. You can also use tools like Hardhat and Foundry, and they will work the same. And let's go back to the... And thank you so much for this. Head to our stand, and we'll be more than happy to help you with that. And that's it.